morning. Today we are going to learn comparison. Let's start. As black as coal म्हणजे कोळच्यासारखा काळा. As bright as the sun म्हणजे सूर्यासारखा तेजस्वी. As busy as bee मधमाशीसारखा कामाचा व्यग्र. As slow as snail गोगलगायीसारखा मंद. As gentle as lamb कोकरासारखा कोमल. As graceful as swan हंसासारखा ऐटदार. As sly as fox कोल्ह्यासारखा लबाड. As cold as mouse उंदरासारखा शांत. As brave as a lion सिंहासारखा शूर. As stubborn as mule खेचासारखा हत्ती. As strong as ox बैलासारखा बलवान. As free as bird पक्ष्यासारखा मुक्त. As free as hair as हवेसारखा मुक्त. As hard as stone दगडासारखा कठीण. As proud as peacock मोरासारखा अहंकारी. As cheerful as lark पक्ष्यासारखा आनंदी. As clear as day दिवसासारखा स्वच्छ. As deep as well विहिरीसारखा खोल. As fast as rabbit सस्यासारखा वेगदार जलद. As fat as pig डुकरासारखा लठ्ठ. As swift as arrow बाणासारखा वेगवान. As yellow as gold सोन्यासारखा पिवळा. थँक यू.